Hello, I'm Vince Mohr with the Mortgage Professionals Group, and I'm here to give you the real deal as to what's going on with home mortgage financing. But before I do, I wanted to share a little bit about myself with you. I'm actually originally from the Central Coast. Both my mom and stepdad were raised here. And although I have lived elsewhere as a kid and as an adult, I consider this home. I love it here, and I decided a long time ago this is where I wanted to raise my kids. I have a son, Taylor, who's 23, and a daughter, Jennifer, who's 21. Both attended SLO High. And I've actually been in the home loan business primarily here in SLO County for the past 25 years. I'm actually a member of Mountain Brook Community Church, and I coached youth sports for about 10 years, both football and baseball. And again, I just love it here. In all my years of originating loans, now is absolutely the best time to purchase or to refinance a home. Interest rates are at historic lows, and home prices are more affordable than ever. If you're a real estate professional, you need to get your clients pre-approved. These home prices and low interest rates won't last forever. You wouldn't want to miss out on the opportunity. If you have an adjustable rate loan, please get in contact with me so we can do a mortgage checkup. Your loan is toxic and your payments will be going up. Just as the interest rates on fixed rate loans are at a historic low, so are the indexes that determine the interest rate on adjustable rate loans. So as the economy starts to improve and starts to shore up, interest rates will start to rise, and then your index will start to rise, and so your interest rate and payments will go up. Primarily, the only loans being originated today are a 30-year fixed and an FHA 30-year fixed. And in the past, FHA wasn't a real viable product in our county because the maximum loan amount for FHA was typically lower than the average or median price for our county. But that's changed. With FHA, like with conventional, where you can go up to 687.5 as far as your loan amount is concerned, and the median price has dropped in our county to where just about 50%, over 40% of Americans can afford to live here now. The nice thing about FHA loans is that the loan amount can be higher, 96.5%, so 3.5% down. And the debt-to-income ratio can be higher than with a conventional loan, meaning you can qualify for more home with FHA. And your credit doesn't have to be stellar. You can still, as long as your FICO scores are 620 and above, you can still get a home loan with FHA. If you're a loan consultant, please give me a call to find out about one of the most progressive mortgage companies on the West Coast. We're a 10-year-old company, and our management team has a combined experience of over 60 years. And we pay some of the most lucrative commissions in the industry today. And actually, the playing field isn't level. If you're working with a big bank, you know, with all the bureaucracy and the volume, the bottleneck because of the volume, it's pretty hard to get loans through, and you're paid on a much lower commission structure. And if you're a small to medium-sized mortgage bank, you know that coming up obtaining the money is tough because there's about a $25 billion a month supply and about a $2 to $250 billion a month need. So for brokers, it's actually the best of both worlds. You can still deal with the larger lenders in the country, the legitimate larger lenders in the country, so you don't have to worry about money, but yet get paid top dollar or get paid on a more lucrative commission structure. I serve all of San Luis Obispo County with Mortgage Professionals Group, and I can be reached anytime at 550-7644. Again, that's 550-7644. Or you can click on the link on this website to be directed to my website. And in closing, I'd like to just share a poem with you, and it goes like this. I saw a group of men in my hometown. I saw a group of men tearing a building down. With a heave and a hoe and a mighty yell, they swung a beam and a sidewall fell. I said to the foreman, are these men skilled? The type you hire if you wanted to build? Well, he laughed and said, why, no, indeed, for common labor's all I need. For I can tear down in a day or two what it took a builder 10 years to do. I thought to myself as I walked away, which of these roles am I going to play? Am I the type that constantly tearing down as I make my way foolishly around? Or am I the type that's trying to build with care in hopes that my family or organization was glad and proud I was there? So if you or your family, friends, colleagues have any home loan needs, please keep me in mind. Thank you.